CNN breaking news. French military takes control of airport in key city in Mali, source says. In a blow to militants, the French military said Wednesday it has seized the airport in Kidal, the last major town under rebel control in northern Mali. Hostage standoff involving Alabama boy held in bunker after fatal shooting on school bus enters third day. The standoff involving a little boy being held in an... Barack Obama said, "Be courageous. Americans are counting on you." Goodbye Giffords urging the Senate today to take action on gun violence. Ashton Kutcher. Tumblr avoids porn label and adds mature rating to iOS app. Tumblr avoids porn label and adds mature rating to iOS app. After Apple pulled the 500px photo app from iTunes over a porn controversy, it seems Tumblr is doing what it can to avoid the same fate by adding a 17+ age warning to its iPhone and iPad app. Read this article by Dara Kerr on Net News. IBM's Watson heads to school. IBM's Watson. Chinese hackers said to wage cyberwar on the New York Times. Chinese hackers said IBM's Watson heads to school. Fox News.
Media outlets leave out vital audio, claim Newtown dad was heckled by gun nuts during testimony. Georgia governor declares state of emergency after deadly storms hit Midwest and southern state. Georgia governor declared. Media outlets leave out.